one thing which you feel you want people to know about you, because not much is known about you as a person. So one quality or one thing that you want other people to know, and one thing you're not too comfortable showing it to on camera.
Yeah, right now I've reached a position where I'm not ashamed of what I am. I'm not killing myself for my mistakes, and I'm not ashamed of them. I've realized everyone makes mistakes, everyone is human. The only thing we can do is be better than what we were yesterday. One thing that I want people to know is I'm comfortable with myself now, and I am accepting love in my life. I'm not only saying romantically, I'm saying love in every aspect.
Mm-hmm.
In friendship, in relationships, with my family, with my friends, everything. I was always wondering why they are uncomfortable with me. They were uncomfortable with me because I was uncomfortable with myself. What I don't want people to know, I don't want anyone to speak ill about my family or my dad.
Bigg Boss is a show which kind of just opens the Pandora box when it comes to your past. I mean, there would be people who know about you, and of course, makers also kind of add twists and get someone from the past as guest, as wildcard. How comfortable are you about that fact? Does that thought scare you?
Yeah, you just said it, and my heart rate raced to 119, I think. Having said that, how do you go ahead in life? You've got to be comfortable with what you are, and what you are also comprises of your past. You can't keep dwelling on it, you can't keep thinking about it, you can't keep overthinking about it. You just have to realize, ठीक है, वो past है, future है, future का किसी को नहीं पता है. अब ये moment है हमारे पास, ये moment को सब जो अच्छा आप कर सको करो, तो बाकी काय को चिंता करो. इतना बड़ी बातें मैंने बोल दी, लेकिन सबको लगता है डर. कोशिश करूंगा. I'll try that. जो भी मेरे पास से भी आए, अगर वो अनरिजॉल्व इशू है तो उसे मैं मौका देकर रिजॉल्व करूं. अगर नहीं रिजॉल्व होता है तो एक्सेप्ट करो कि नहीं रिजॉल्व होने वाला है, भाई तो अभी जल्दी जा. मैं
Now there's this whole conversation around mental health and how important it is to address this, especially when it comes to the youth. Will you take this opportunity as a platform to actually speak about it?
I would love to, given a chance. Of course, I wouldn't like to hijack the platform. This platform is there for entertainment. This is a reality show, and it has got its fair share of controversies also. But it has the biggest reach possible. Agar the makers or Salman Bhai or anyone else engages me in a conversation about this, of course I'd like to address it. So now, आज ही Mirror में एक article आई है मेरे बारे में, where I have spoken about it. I thought about it 200 times before talking about it. I think of myself as a very woke person. I think of myself as, नहीं यार, मेरे दिल में जो रहता है मैं कहता हूँ, नहीं तो भी मैं डरा जो बात है ना. तो यार, मैं आजकल के बच्चे जो अनफॉर्चुनेटली कॉन्वर्सेशंस ही नहीं होती है घर में मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में, होती ही नहीं है. मतलब चलो ठीक हो जाओ, ये होता है, चलो कुछ नहीं होता, चलो डोंट ड्वेल ऑन इट, ये क्या है, डिप्रेशन. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट अ कॉन्वर्सेशन. पता नहीं कॉन्वर्सेशन कहां जाएगा, है ना. लेट्स स्टार्ट इट.
Also, Ijaz, you are known to be quite a loner in the industry. That's the entire image that you have. So, will you surprise us or will you surprise yourself on Bigg Boss?
नहीं, कुछ प्लान नहीं है वैसा. न ये प्लान है कि मैं अंदर जाके प्यार ढूंढूं, न ये प्लान है कि अंदर से अगर प्यार मेरी जिंदगी में है तो मैं उसे लात मार के भागूं. कुछ नहीं. जो होगा मैं पूरी शिद्दत से, विद फुल ऑनेस्टी, उसको करने की कोशिश करूंगा, एज एवरी एस्पेक्ट इन माई लाइफ. और बाकी बहुत बड़ा है, उसकी मेहर बनी पड़ी है. मैं रमजान से नमाज पढ़ना शुरू किया हूँ, 5 वक्त की नमाज अदा करता हूँ. उससे बहुत पीस ऑफ माइंड मिला है. पीस ऑफ माइंड नहीं, एक तरह से अपने आप को मैं और पसंद करने लगा हूँ. तो अगर खुदा चाहता है कि मेरी जिंदगी में कोई आए तो ठीक है, नहीं चाहता तो कोई बात नहीं, अकेले जाएंगे.
And what can we expect from Ijaz on Big Boss, and what would you actually go on to add to the show?
I will add Ijaz Khan to the show. Nothing else. Nothing more, nothing less.
So what can we expect from Ijaz?
Everything. Everything. You name it, you will get it. I don't want to bind my existence with definitions.
Mm-hmm.
I hope in the parameters of this show, I get to entertain, I get to showcase the real me, and in turn, get the love that I deserve.
Tell us, so what do you think you will not miss at all in Big Boss now?
My phone. I hate it. मुझे लगता है कुत्ते का पट्टा है. कोई भी आके खींच के जाता है. मेरे से बात कर, मेरे से बात कर. भाई क्यों? मेरे को नहीं करनी है.
What irks you the most about other people which you think could be a problem for you in the Big Boss house?
Tardiness and stupidity.
Quality in you that you think could irk other people.
Impatience.
Qualities needed to be your friend.
Honesty.
Who could be the enemy or the competitor for you? What would you look at some? Okay. One word to describe Ijaz Khan on Big Boss.
Human.